am Auri Katarina and I deep clean my followers' homes for free. Today we are here at young couple's home and we are going to clean this whole house. And I'm gonna show you how I'm doing it. This house is really messy, but I love it. I'm so excited. So, let's start with the kitchen. Okay, first we are going to start by collecting all the trashes. Okay! It's pretty stuck in there. And did you know that washing the dishes take most of the time because of this? But I like challenges. So now we have collected all the trashes from the kitchen and now we are continuing with the dishes. Big. Oh! Okay, dishes are on halfway, but now we are having lunch. This table is clean, but Okay, now we have washed most of the dishes. There's still some left. And also I have reorganized the cabinets. But here we have pretty good stains. I can't wait to take them off. Yes, much better I think. Okay, let's see the living room. Many of you have asked where we put all the things and clothes. So here you can see we reorganized them, but of course I don't know where to put this. So I collect all this stuff together, and then I think I'm gonna leave it there. This is my favorite floor cleaning tool. It's squeaky, so handy. Look. You can collect all the trashes with this. Most of the people use these in the shower, but in Finland, professional cleaners use it all the time. Voila! If you have a table like this, here we have pretty bad stains. I use dish soap. I would a little bit of that, and then Scrub Mommy. This is one of my favorite tools. And then just grab it and leave it there. You don't have to scrub it like really hard right now. Just let it sit there while, and then the stains are softening, so it becomes easier to remove those. Now it's been here like maybe 5 minutes, and I can feel that the stains are really soft. Okay, let's wipe it. Okay, here we have some tape, so I'm using industrial cleaner. Yeah, let's put a little bit of that and let it absorb there while. And then I'm using my favorite tool, one of my favorite tools, scraper. Ooh. Look at that! It comes off so easily. I'm loving it. And then just wipe everything off, and we can see we have still some stains left here. So I'm using Power Paste. I just put my finger on here, take a little bit of this, and then ooh, it works like magic. Look how easy.
Wow!
Then voila! Okay, now the living room is ready. But maybe you wanna see here.
All right.
And also, right now I'm very happy. Like really happy, because this is really satisfying and I love to do this. And this is one of the reasons why I'm doing these videos, because I want to show you how satisfying and fun cleaning can be. Okay, the family have 2 cats, and here we have cat litter boxes, and usually place like this the boxes are pretty dirty, so we have here clean cat litter, and actually I have donated these to Auri that she can change cat litter box sand when she cleans.